Buying a new home is exciting. It can also be very stressful. You need to prepare yourself so you can easily navigate all the steps of getting your dream home. Before you go shopping for a new home, you need to understand how much you can afford. Let's look at the steps in doing that and get you to the home of your dreams. Welcome to the channel. Prepared financially to be able to purchase a home. So if you're paying rent now, that's going to go away, but then you're going to need to pay a mortgage. So you need to know how much you can afford, what you're probably going to be paying, and then you got to understand about your other debts and how that's going to affect you. So you need to take a good look at what you have, what you're spending, what your credit score looks like. All those things are going to be very important. Getting pre-approved is easy. All you got to do is contact your lender, or contact me, of course, and I'll help you to get pre-approved. Once you have all your information in, we can get you to a pre-approval. There's quite a bit of paperwork that goes with that, but don't worry about it. We can work through it and get you pre-approved so that you know what you can spend on your new home. Finding the right realtor is critical. You need to make sure you got the right person to help you find your dream home. If you haven't already picked one, let me know and I'll certainly help you to find that too. We can point you in the right direction to the experts in the area. Then comes the exciting bit. You go to look at some houses and you know exactly what you can spend, so you can look at the houses in your price range. You can make sure that if you want to make an offer that it's something that you can afford because you already have that pre-approval. And you can look at many houses and find the home of your dreams in the area that you want it to be and with the deal that you want to get. Your realtor help you get there. Once you have that home in mind, we'll go to the next step. Once you've found the home of your dreams, you're going to make your offer, do your negotiations with the realtor, and make sure that you get the deal that you want. And then once you've found that and your offer's accepted, you're going to sign a contract. Once that contract is signed, then it's time for us to move on and get your loan squared away. So you're going to let me know and send that contract over to your lender, and then we're off to the races. Now we can lock in the rate and the term for your loan, make sure that we've got everything set the way we want it to be. And of course, we're going to look for the most competitive rates at this point, get you locked in so that when we go through the rest of the process, you'll know your rate, you'll know how much money you have to bring to closing, and you'll be confident that you can go forward and make that offer. You'll know where you can negotiate to make sure that you have enough money to cover everything and to win that house of your dreams. The appraisal is an important step to know the fair value of your home so that we can ensure that anything that we do, anything that we forward you in terms of a loan is appropriate, that you're actually getting a good deal for the property that you're buying, that you're buying it at competitive market rates. So do comparables and make sure that what you're spending on that property makes sense. It's absolutely important to you and it's important to the lender too. To finish up your loan and to get that purchase done of that home, what we need to do is to get to closing. And to do that, there's going to be some more documentation, some finalization. You have to get that appraisal back, and we have to get all the documents lined up, have you provide any outstanding documentation. Then, of course, you go to closing, sign all your documents, and you will receive the keys, and away you go. You have your home. So this is just a quick overview of how you go about buying a house and the things that you'll interact with through the mortgage process. Of course, there's loads more to talk about, and there'll be more in the next video. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll be sure and publish another video here soon. And we're going to cover the PITI, what principal, interest, taxes, and insurance covers, and help you to figure out how to calculate your mortgage payments.